Hi guys, my name is Maria. I'm investing in stocks, cryptocurrency and some real estate. Today will be a super quick video. I just want to let you know about the Cassie Wood's choice of hyper growth stocks. So just to let you know that last year Cassie Wood's ARK Genomic Revolution ETF, ARK Innovation ETF and ARK Next Generation Internet ETF reaped returns of 159%, 203% and 157% respectively. Everybody knows that Cassie Wood is super bullish on cryptocurrency. That's why she is also super bullish on Coinbase. The ticker symbol COIN. On the day when Coinbase went public, ARK Invest bought 749,205 shares. A few days later, it added another 340,273 shares, worth nearly 112 million to its position. This lady definitely knows what she's doing. Digital wallets could become the most valuable technology developments per user of almost anything. We're pretty excited about that. If you were to draw a graph as we did it in our big ideas showing how JP Morgan Chase got to these levels, it was one acquisition after the another, whereas Cash App and Venmo, because they're viral in nature, have gotten there organically, Cassie Wood said. One more company, ticker symbol U, CEO said, as the leader in creating and operating tools for the worlds of real-time 3D content, we continue to invest with the intent to capture what we believe in a substantial opportunity ahead in 2021 and years beyond. Cassie Wood's ARK Invest added over 187,000 shares of Unity Software Incorporation. Also, Wood has been buying up shares of the online sales platform Sea Limited, ticker symbol SE. Sea Limited is a top 5 holding in the ARK Fintech Innovation Fund. Also Shopify, ticker symbol SHOP. Cassie Wood believes that Shopify can be as big as online retail giant Amazon. We are trying to figure out how Amazon is going to deal with this notion of individuals seeing something on Instagram or elsewhere, on Facebook or on Twitter or on Snap and just buying there. Wood said, that's a Shopify commerce opportunity and we think it's going to be big. Another Cassie Wood's favorite is Square. The company created the flagship Square credit card dongle that connects to virtually any smartphone, making it a point-of-sale device. If you're looking for a proof of Wood's confidence in Square's future, consider this. It's the #1 holding on the Fintech Innovation Fund, and it's also the #3 holding of the ARK Next Generation Internet ETF. This gives Square the distinction of being one of Wood's highest conviction holdings. Well guys, I'll keep you updated about these stocks. Don't forget to join me in my $1 million journey. Take care, stay safe, bye!